Welcome back to 4K Tech. In today's video, we're going to program this ring that I bought off of Amazon for around $120 to my Tesla. It won't replace the card, but it's a cute little accessory that I thought I would try. So let's go ahead and pair the ring to the Tesla. Once you're on the screen, click Locks, click the plus sign, and now we can add a new device. And then it beeps for you to tap existing keycard to approve pairing. The new key is called Julia Key. So we're going to edit it and we're going to name it Ring Key. Click Save. And now it should work. So let's get out of the Tesla and try it out. And voila! The ring did its job.